How to be successful at your job interview. One of job seekers' most pressing questions is how to be set up for success and present themselves for a job interview. Being fully prepared is most important for fresh graduates who are eager to enter the job market and have no idea or guidance on maximizing their chances of success, which could result in a job offer. As a recruiter, I want to share with you my secrets on how to be successful at your job interview. There are many theoretical pieces of advice, but I will not bore you with those. I will discuss job interview tips and discuss what hiring managers and HR departments look for in an ideal candidate. I will tell you what I look for in a candidate during the interview from a recruiter's point of view. I conducted hundreds of interviews throughout my career, and it never fails to shock me how irresponsible and uninterested candidates can be. I had candidates who showed up hours late to the interview. Then some showed up as they woke up from bed, and some candidates seemed to be high on drugs during the interview. It made me wonder what their futures will hold for them. Or whether there is hope for them. As a job seeker, your mission is to ensure you leave no stone unturned in impressing the hiring manager, recruiter. If you are serious about making the best first impression, keep reading, as I will now dive into what steps you should take after you get a call for an in-person interview. Make an effort to learn about the job and the employer. As soon as you hang up, look up the employer on Google, find out what they do, and learn about their mission, vision, and values. Research the employer by searching on LinkedIn. This will help you understand the company, its culture, and its people. When you finally sit down with the hiring manager, you can tell them what you learned about the company and why you would love to work for them. Dress for success. If you prepare proactively, you'll improve your chances of impressing the hiring managers. So, as the interview date gets closer, choose what to wear. What impresses me are candidates who wear a suit to the interview. It signifies that they are serious about the job, and he has dressed for the occasion. Time is of the essence. Also, make sure to leave on time. When a candidate shows up for the interview 15 to 5 minutes early, it has a good impression. I feel this candidate values the importance of time and can be relied upon if hired. Stay humble. During the interview, I recommend that you stay humble but try to sell yourself to the hiring manager, highlighting how your education, past experiences, or any other factor would relate to the well-with position, in essence, making you look like the most qualified candidate for the role. Interview styles. Keep in mind that two types of interview styles hiring managers and recruiters will conduct are structured and unstructured interviews. For fresh graduates, most interviews will be unstructured, asking behavioral and situational-based questions. With a structured interviewing style, the interviewer will go into the technical details, such as day-to-day responsibilities and approaches to mitigating issues at work. The interviewer may also do a personality assessment on the fly. When I ask a candidate about their strengths and weaknesses, I am not looking to cancel them out if they tell me about their shortcomings. Instead, I am looking to judge their honesty. Sell yourself. The hiring manager is here to assess your overall suitability for the job. Thus, ensuring that you have read the job description in detail and can relate your professional or academic work experience to the role. So here's a simple checklist on how to be successful at your job interview. Conduct in-depth research on the employer through a Google search or LinkedIn. Decide what you will wear in advance, and have your outfit ready the day before. Leave early to mitigate anything that could prevent you from reaching the venue on time. Answer questions honestly and stay humble. If given the opportunity, try relating your existing skill sets to the job.